Today in the chapter Angles and Pairs of Angles, we are going to learn practice set 21. Hello everyone. Now today in the chapter Angles and Pairs of Angles, we will see the practice set 21. So the first example is given that there is an external angle ACD of triangle ABC, and in this triangle angle A and angle B, they are given equal, and the measure of angle ACD is given 140 degree. And the question is that you have to find the measure of angle A and angle B. Now you will see, so what is the given here? Angle A is equal to angle B. So we will take it is a x degree, and measure of angle ACD is equal to 140 degree. Therefore, by property of an exterior angle, so what is the property of exterior angle? The measure of exterior angle is equal to measure of exterior angle ACD is equal to sum of its remote interior angle. So the remote interior angle are angle A and angle B. So the measure of angle A and plus measure of angle B. So this is the property of exterior angle. Now you will see the exterior angle is given 140 degree. So measure of angle A and angle B, we have taken it as a x degree. So x plus x. So that will be 140 is equal to 2x. Therefore, x is equal to, now this 2 will divide here. It is coming to the left side and it will divide to the 140. So 140 will be divided by 2. So 2 ones are, 2 sevens are, and 0. So that is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, you got, therefore measure of angle A, which is equal to measure of angle B, and is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, the measure of angle A and angle B will be equal to 70 degree. Now second example. So there is given the figure, and by using the measures given in the figure, you have to find the measure of remaining angles which are not given here. So now you will see that angle AOB is 8y degree. So opposite angle of this angle AOB is this vertically opposite angle, and you know that vertically opposite angles are always equal. So here this angle will be also equal to 8y degree. Now similarly, this angle FOE is 4y. Vertically opposite angle is this one. So it will be also having 4y degree. Similarly, the angle vertically opposite to DOC is this angle, and it is having equal measure as a 6y degree. So now you have to calculate the actual measures of this angle. Now you will write first measure of angle AOB is equal to measure of angle EOD, which is equal to 8y degree. Then measure of angle FOE is equal to measure of angle BOC. FOE and BOC will be equal to 4y degree. Then measure of angle this AOF is equal to DOC is equal to how much? 6y degree. And this all you have taken from property of vertically opposite angle. Now you know that, see the top side, this, the three angles are on the straight line, and what is the measure of straight line? It is 180 degree. That means the sum of these three angles will be equal to 180 degree. So we can say that by measure of straight angle AOF plus measure of angle AOF plus measure of angle AOB plus measure of angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. And AOF, it is given here, it is a 6y degree plus AOB is 8y degree plus BOC, it is 4y degree is equal to 180 degree. So add this, all are having y. So 6 plus 8 will be 14, and 14 plus 4 will be 18. So 18y degree is equal to 180 degree. So now this 18, send it to the right side and it will divide to 180. So y degree will be equal to 180 degree divided by 18, and if you divide this you will get 10. So the y is equal to having a value of 10 degree. Now you have 4y degree will be equal to 4y degree means 4 into 10, that will be 40 degree. So 4y means what? It is 40 degree. So this angle will be 40 degree and this will be also 40 degree. Then 6y degree will be equal to 6 into 10 and that will be 60 degree. So here 6y they will be 60 degree, 60 degree, and 8y degree will be equal to 8 into 10 and that is 80 degree. So here this will be 80 degree and this will be 80 degree. Measure of angle AOF is equal to 60 degree. Measure of angle EOD is equal to 80 degree, and measure of angle BOC is equal to 40 degree. In this manner you can calculate the second example. So this is the measure of remaining angles given in the example. Now the third example. Now the example is given that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, means the two sides of the given triangle are equal and angles opposite to them are equal. That means angle A and angle B are the equal angles and these are the remote interior angles. And they have given that the exterior angle ACD is equal to 8x plus 10 degree and angle ACB is given 3x minus 17 degree. And the question is that you have to find the actual measure of angle ACD and angle ACB. So you have to find the actual measurement of these two angles, and along with that you have to find the measure of angle A and angle B. So now we will solve this example. So angle ACD and angle ACB are linear pair angle. So you know that angle ACD, sorry here is D, angle ACD and angle ACB, they are the linear pair angle, and therefore the measure of angle ACD plus measure of angle ACB will be equal to how much? 180 degree. And you know that linear pair angles are always 180 degree. That means sum of the linear pair angles is always 180 degree. So now measure of angle ACD is there. It is 8x plus 10 degree. Plus measure of angle ACB is 3x minus 17 degree, which will be equal to 180 degree. Now solve this expression. So 8x plus 10 plus 3x minus 17 is equal to 180. Now you see 8x plus 3x, it will be 11x, and minus 10 minus 17, subtraction of integers, so it will be minus 7 is equal to 180 degree. Now this minus 7 we will send it to the right side. It is subtracting here. It will go to the right and it will add to 180. So 11x is equal to 180 plus 7. So 11x is equal to 187. Now this 11 you will send it to the right side. It is multiplying to the x. It will go there and divide to 187. So x will be equal to 187 divided by 11. So 11 ones are and 11 ones are. So what will remain? 7. 77. So 7s are. So x will be equal to 17. So value of x you got, it is a 17. Now you have 8x plus 10. Now here in place of x you got value of x is 17. So you place here x. So 8 into 17 plus 10. So 17 8s are, it will be 136 plus 10. So that will be equal to 146 degree. So this 8x plus 10 degree is equal to how much? 146. So it will be 146 degree. Then 3x minus 17 degree is equal to 3. In place of x you will take 17 minus 17. So first you multiply this. So it will be 51 minus 17 will be 34 degree. So that means this angle is having a measure of 34 degree. So you got measure of angle ACB and angle ACD. Now you have to find the measure of angle A and B. So you know that measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B. Let us consider it is x degree. It is said that these two angles are equal to each other, therefore their measure will be x degree, we will consider it. and measure of angle ACD you have, it is 146 degree. Now by property of an exterior angle, what is the property? That exterior angle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. So measure of angle ACD is equal to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. So it is 146 degree and it is x plus x. So that will be equal to 2x. So the x will be equal to 146 upon 2. So these 2 will come here and divide. So we have interchanged the left side and right side. So 2 1s are, 2 7s are, and 2 3s are is 6. So that will be equal to 73 degree. Therefore you can say that measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B is equal to 73 degree. So whatever you have been asked, that is measure of angle ACD is how much? 146 degree. Measure of angle ABC is equal to how much? 34 degree. And measure of angle A, which is equal to measure of angle B, is equal to how much? 73 degree. So in this way you can calculate the third example of your practice set 21.